Seems a shame to be leaving this sort of view, but we do need to get back. I've got one or two things to do, but we will be back. It's a beautiful day today. Just got a northerly breeze blowing in at the moment. It's only a breeze. So today's the day we head back to Hull. Beautiful start to the day. Not a breath of wind here. It's forecast to pick up a little bit during the day, but south westerlies, 1 to 2, nothing much. Sea state pretty calm. We've got to leave here round about 10 to 10. The tide will still be coming in at that. Not expecting to get into Hull until round about 19:30 tonight, so it'll be just a nice steady slow run, plod up the coast, see what we can see. Wells Harbour as usual is nice and peaceful. Something we have noticed this year is quite a lot of scum comes in with the tide. Probably not surprising after the winter storms and the fact that the marshes have not fully drained and cleaned as yet. Yeah.
Right, I'm going out to fetch vendors.
Okay.
Chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows. No.
It was about here where we realised where we'd missed a red on the way in.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So it's out into the vast North Sea. It wasn't perfectly calm, but a beautiful start to the day. Looking forward to the journey ahead. And Janet's dressed for it.
It's the wind. Because up here, it's hitting me bangs back on my forehead and moving my hair around and getting in my ears. And I'm sensitive with my ears.
Well, we're just starting to cross the wash, and my nose is saying there's a hint of rain in the air. I can just smell the change. And when we look at the clouds, there's a change there just to come in. We might just have some moisture, probably more on land than out here. Dead ahead looks pretty good.
You would think he'd been brought up on the sea, because he goes, you know, the dog sniffs the air and, oh, I think there's moisture in the air. It's going to rain. It's not that his bones are creaky or his joints hurt. No, it's his nose.
She's only jealous because she can't smell anything. So on the land just off our port bow is Gibraltar. And looking at the state of the sea at the moment, we could be heading towards the Med. Wish we were.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
I think Janet's fallen asleep. Okay, she was just sunbathing. Suddenly the conditions have changed and don't quite like the look of that. That's coming across our way, and not much, but a bit of a swell has picked up. So as we turned at Donanook and headed back to the west, it was like hitting a wall. We had the wind against us, wind against tide, so the swell got up, the water turned murky. Hey, we're nearly home and almost back into the Humber. Traffic can always be a problem in the Humber, and just at my crossing point where we wanted to go from the south side to the north side, we had two freighters coming down, a DFDS Ro-Ro coming up behind us, and VTS asking, "Is 6 knots your best speed, sir?" "No, sir," was my reply. We speeded up to 20 knots to cross behind Ragnar and get out of harm's way. We made an error. We set off too early, which made the journey over 10 hours. And whilst we were trying to kill time, the last hour was wet. So it's always good to see your home port. So Hull Marina, here we come. Soon be tied up, get the kettle on, and get some nice warm food.
Ava Grace, Hull Marina. Just watch out for the other side of the bridge that's still swinging when you come in. Over.
Yeah. Okay.
So just ignore the background noise and concentrate on getting the boat back into berth.
Okay.
Well, it's now Saturday morning. morning. We came back in Friday evening, got back in, arrived just outside the lock at 1937, which was the first pen available. Nice beer when we got in. Oh, it was wet. I don't know whether it will come out on video or not, but wow, it was wet. The last run, really, we got into a bit of a squall. I did say I could smell rain in the air. Anyway, we're looking forward to the next one. First off is wash the boat down, wash the hoods, get them back up, get all the seagull crap off that we encountered in Wells, and then we'll start thinking about what we're going to do next.